Managing scattered repair and inspection tasks through disconnected spreadsheets reduces visibility, increases travel time, buries urgent priorities, and forces teams into reactive coordination instead of efficient, well-planned maintenance workflows. In this video, we'll walk through how to map and manage all your visits on a single interactive platform using MAPOG step by step. Start by going to story.mapog.com and click on Create New Map. Choose the category template. Add a clear title and description that represents your use case, whether it's flyover inspections, utility maintenance, or multi-site service visits. Before saving, enable the Task Management tab, then click Create. Using the Replace logo option, you can also upload an image relevant to your project. Next, open Process Custom Location to begin adding your visit locations. Select Add by uploading Excel/CSV so you can bring in multiple service sites at once. Before uploading, go to the Select Custom Location Template Settings option and create a new template. Add a template name, choose its color, and keep the geometry as point. This template will store all attribute information linked to each location. Now, define the attributes your visits will need. For example, flyover name, address, description, length, priority level, contractor name, or inspection frequency. Use text fields for descriptions, select options for priority, and image fields if required. Save the template once finished. From the drop-down, select the template you just created and upload your prepared Excel or CSV file. Now match your attributes carefully. Assign a unique ID to each location to track updates and prevent duplication. Match flyover name to its column, address to address, length to its respective column, and so on. Then, map the latitude and longitude columns from your file and click Submit. All visit locations will automatically appear on the map. Once visible, with Edit Custom Location, you can attach images, description, and all necessary details in locations. Now, click Add Layer Style. Use category styling to visually separate visits by urgency or task type. For example, red for high priority, orange for medium, and green for low. Next, improve coordination by using sorting and filtering tools. Group locations by task type or urgency level to arrange the location as per the attributes. Use Sort by Location or Live Location to identify the closest visit sites. Just put the location and all sites' distance will be showing as per the searched location. Apply filters to isolate specific contractors, maintenance categories, or priority levels. Now, let's add tasks. Click on any location point and select Add Task. Enter task details such as task name, description, deal value, and choose the appropriate task type. If needed, click Manage and add more task type to define categories like inspection, repair, touch-up, or reconstruction. Then move to the Task Management dashboard and set up a completion form. Choose your custom location type and create structured questions for field verification, text responses, select options, photo uploads, or checklists. Next, add team members under Add New Team Member, assign roles, and allocate them as task assignees. Lastly, select the assignee from the drop-down section and save the task. Field teams can use the MAPOG Contributor app to update work progress, upload images, add notes, and mark tasks as complete. Once completed, they fill out the task completion form with proper details collected from the sites. All updates are visible within the Task Management tab, where tasks can be filtered as per task type or assignee and monitored in real time. By mapping visits and attaching structured task workflows to each location, you turn scattered field assignments into a coordinated, location-aware system. Explore more at story.mapog.com. And if you need assistance, reach out to support@mapog.com.